Incremental routines. Let's continue with the Supermemo Course, the Pleasurable expansion. It's time to cover the folders. Remember, we just have seen the element types, concepts, topics, items, and tasks. What are the folders? Well, spoiler alert, folder is just, it's not an element type. It's still a topic. You have this color difference, and the yellow means it's dismissed. It doesn't participate in the knowledge, in the learning flow. It's the same as if I go to Windows, are just this. Those are folders. So I can just click and have anything in the hierarchy. And within one folder, I can have other folders, like is the case. And another folder, and yet another folder. In Supermemo 18, you can nest up to 63 levels, which is a lot more than you will ever need. And in Supermemo 19, that has been increased. I don't even know the number, but it's not required. You will never reach that. Then, in this case, there's a mistake. This is one folder, yes, because it's a dismissed. The definition of a folder is qualitative. It's a topic who has been applied done. You will see much later what this means. But basically, you get rid of the text and the content and acts as a mere container of what has in the hierarchy, the children. That's why it's called a folder. Then you have a topic. You have a dismissed topic. Remember, is the color. Why this one is not a folder? Because there's no hierarchy down. Is childless. And here it says another folder, and that is wrong, because there is no hierarchy. There's nothing inside there. Therefore, this is still a dismissed topic, qualitatively. So if I really want this, let me use one example. An example that I can pronounce, please. Okay, I will use this one. Semiosis. Is this the folder? No. So it includes children, but it's not dismissed. Look at the color. This is still participating in the learning flow. It's not a folder. Now, if I apply done, we will see what this means when we go through the incremental reading flow. Now it's a folder. Look at this yellow. Then this child is again a folder. This one it's not. And if I now dismiss it, again, it won't participate in the learning. We will see later on why this is useful, the use cases, and so on. I have a warning. A, dismiss childless element. Because Supermemo expects that if you do this, it's because you have children. It's the expected behavior. Then this, it's a dismissed topic. It's not a folder. How he has this, more or less. Remember, it's just qualitatively we say that. If now, for whatever reason, I make an extract, we will see again what this means. Hey, now it's a folder because there's something. It's no longer childless. This will have consequence when you have, I don't know, you do batch operations like applying done. If we don't have this, let me delete it now. This will become deleted and so on. So even if you say, oh yeah, it's just a fine detail, it's just qualitative, well, yes, at most of the extent, this is true. But there's one outlier cases that, hey, the outcome will be slightly different. So it has a consequence, in fact. I have a question for you. Science is a folder? This one here? No, it's acting like a folder because I can collapse and uncollapse. But it's not, because this element with the light bulb is a concept. We will see this soon. It has to be a T for topic. Hope this is clear enough. See you in the next video.